Okay, so I'm back. I got my eyebrows on. I have a video on eyebrows. This one looking a little thick today, but we're not gonna worry about it. So I used the Peach Perfect. I don't know how to get, y'all, I know how to do this. Okay, so I'm back. I got my eyebrows on. I have a video on eyebrows. This one looking a little thick today, but we're not gonna worry about it. So I used the Peach Perfect. I don't know how to get, y'all, I know how to do this. Anyway, this is Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation, but I know how to make it glowy on Amazon. You can't see it, but it's Too Faced, so I might try to insert a picture. And they're basically supposed to be used together. And for a long time, I didn't use it. Like I already primed my face twice, but I moisturize with Pond's, and I also use it with makeup, just so my face can stay, you know, I guess glowing is the correct term. And then I spread it with my brush. Just put 2 dots and 1 dot on my forehead. It looks a little harsh, but I know how to blend it to make it look not as harsh as it does, because it can but it's okay because I can fix it. I have this Sephora powder in the shade Mocha, or 64 Neutral Mocha. Use it to, I'm gonna use this fluffy brush by Wet n Wild. Well, this other white brush is from Wet n Wild, not Elf. And swirl that on. Get my nose, because I'm not gonna really contour my nose. This is just use the highlighter for that. Okay, I use this Morphe palette. It's a contouring palette, and I think it's in the shade deep to medium, or medium to deep. And I dip into the bronzer. It's a chocolatey shade, so. Tap it on. Swipe up too, as I tap. Then I'll tap it right here. I'm dragging and tapping just to make sure. This side did it. This side didn't do it, but that's okay, because I can fix it.
And lightly swirl it right here.
I don't know what this side has going on, but everything is going on pretty heavily, which can be fixed because I have a lot of clean brushes, and I'm just gonna tap it in lightly. I hold the end of the brush so I won't be so heavy-handed, but over here, and I'm going to dip into the gold and just highlight right here. Just tapping that right under the arch. This is from Amazon. Oh. I gotta let this lash glue dry. Okay, this is me. This is my car. This is the face. Outside in natural lighting. Okay. Oh, okay. And you can subscribe and give me a like. And I have super sensitive eyes. And I'm gonna go in the house now. Okay, peace. Okay. I'm doing a wear test. I really don't know what time it is. Let's see, 4:51. Did this look at 2:28. Alright, y'all, it is 6:14. What's that sound? And my makeup is doing good. Look at this fuzz on my eye. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, y'all. It is 9:53. Hey me. Let me see if I can lay my phone down and flip it over. It's 9:53. So that means it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 hours. This is 7 hours. And I even sneaked in. Look, I didn't touch my eyebrows though, cause it's recorded, y'all can see it. But I did an eye look and recorded that if you want to see how I got this look. Ooh, my nose is oily, but I'm done a lot today. I've eaten 3 times. Went on a walk. I walked my dog. My nephew and my sister came, and I played outside with my nephew. I did 4 or 5, maybe 6 TikToks today, and filmed the look. So yes, that's this look. Oh, and we went and got some food too. Oh, and I packed my lunch for work tomorrow. Okay, so that's it. That is this look all well, not complete, but you know, one for 7 hours. So this lasts a work day, a school day, a night out, a day out, whatever. Girl, you can make TikToks, you can go grab lunch, brunch, whatever. It's gonna last. If you subscribe and like and you keep up with me, I'm gonna show you how to do a glowy face and make it last all day. So yeah, that is all. Leave me a comment, like and subscribe. I like makeup tips as well. My arm's getting tired, so I'm going to wash my face off and probably go to bed. I'm gonna take a shower, then go to bed. Okay, all right, bye.